ICA was designed to contribute to the sustainable development of society through the formation of integral and competent professionals in the technological areas that have demand and opportunity in the local, regional, and global markets as entrepreneurs and employers. El Salvador has the ICA Higher Education Institution oriented in the integral formation of youth in technological areas, developing the knowledge, mastery, and exploration of existing and new technologies that create better opportunities for incorporation to the working, social, and cultural life. Its educational work began in 1969 under the name of Central Institute of Technology, with the first campus located in Santa Tecla, which was created through an agreement signed between the governments of El Salvador and the United Kingdom. Since its inception until 1979, it was operated under British administration. In 1990, to revive this educational labor, an agreement was signed between the government of El Salvador and the Inter-American Development Bank and Business Foundation for Educational Development, FEPADE giving the administration a period of 50 years to be run under a board formed by visionaries, professionals, and entrepreneurs committed to the development of the country. The philosophical basis for the works of FEPADE are working on a system of free enterprise, apolitical acting, being a non-profit organization to maintain continuous improvement, promoting customer service and support, the development of the education and training of all Salvadorians in spite of race, religion, political, and economic status. The successful direction from FEPADE made it possible for the Ministry of Education to give to them as well the administration of the regionals located in San Miguel, Santa Ana, and Megatech Zacatecoluca and Megatech La Union. This in turn benefits the education of the whole country. On July 29, 2008, through Executive Order No. 88, authorized the transformation of the Central Institute of Technology, ICA in the Specialized Institute for Higher Education in Science and Technology, changing its name to Specialist Engineering School, ICA From this moment on, the chances are increased for the technicians to continue their education in the fields of engineering, master's and doctoral specialist research. The Specialist Engineering School, ICA is a public institution with private management whose strengths are its student population, diversity of careers in different technician and technological disciplines, and the strategic location throughout the country. In recognition of academic excellence, since 2003, we hold the distinction of an institution accredited by the National Accreditation Commission. The recognition is given only to higher educational institutions which exceed the quality standards set by the Ministry of Education. It also has the ISO 9001-2000 certified for its excellent management and quality in the continuous areas of education and administrative process support. This confirms the effort and quality in design, planning, and execution of courses and graduations. There are more than 80,000 participants each year. To maintain excellence, ICA is working under the philosophy of the European Model for Quality Management, EFQM, which is applied to education and oriented to the satisfaction of students, continuous improvement, participation, and teamwork. Since 1999, ICA has been working on the implementation of the educational model based on modular training of competencies. From design to evaluation, it has the objective to develop students to know how to learn, know how to do, and know how to be, so they can be part of the construction of knowledge. Learning by doing is the philosophy of work that has been accompanied with the training process since its beginning. Additionally, under the approach of continuous improvement, working in the testing of new models that allow a better development of students, incorporating this labor of German dual education system in careers and mechatronics, software development, and informatics networks, and others. The dual system is a combined theoretical and practical training in quarterly periods, 2 months in ICA and 1 month in the company. Currently, over 40 companies in the country support this dual model of education. For the development of technical and technological competencies, approach opportunities offered by new technologies that are available to the academic community through the specialist schools and academies, high tech we have. The Center of Advanced Technology in Mechatronics, which is also an authorized training center by the German company Festo to provide international certifications in automation processes. Center of Excellence in Information Technology, through its different programs, creates skills for the software development, giving students international certification from the National Institute of Information Technology of India, NIT. Regional Networking Cisco Academy, where it strengthens the knowledge and prepares for certifications in networking, CCNA, CCNP, and others. The Center for Electronics and High Technology in Industrial Networks, Qatari, the most modern national center for the areas of electronics, communications, and computer maintenance. ITCAD Center develops skills in assisted design by computers. It's very useful in the areas of civil, architecture, electrical, and mechanics. Hostel and Tourism Management Academy. Campus Node Dr. Akio Osono. Virtual Center of Vocational Education and Technological Information with the Technology of Video Conference and the National English Center. In addition to the development of technological skills, the training process is complemented by the following programs: Communicative English, International Certifications, Young Entrepreneurs, Professional Practice. Also, our students participate in programs of culture and sports, which are resources to promote the practice of values such as cooperation, teamwork, and discipline. As well, engineering has been linked with technical careers. Under the approach of side exits, capable students have been able to obtain in their first 2 years a degree of technician in order to enter the labor market and continue their engineering studies. Therefore, in all programs, a strict academic rigor is kept that makes our students successful professionals in the following careers. In addition to the classroom, ICA offers distant careers, giving young people who combine work and study the advantages of virtual education in their professional training. Technical careers in virtual mode are as a complement its formal education labor in the specialized engineering school, ICA continues to provide education through a diversity of training programs for the whole population, promoting learning throughout their lives in the areas of language, technologies, information, auto mechanics, mechatronics, AutoCAD, civil service, and food preparation, along with others. With the objective to contribute to the solution of problems and needs of the community, we have the following programs: applied research, experimental development, and technological innovation. An important pillar to raise the scientific and technological level of our communities, which is developed in the training areas of our institution to take advantage of the capacity in equipment and technological mastery on the part of the teachers. Institutional programs of social projection. It provides support mainly to schools, nonprofit institutions, organized communities, and mayors of the municipalities in the areas of influence to the different institutional headquarters. This outstanding work makes it possible to participate in national and international presentations, presence at seminars, organizations of international congresses, conferences, and recognition of different agencies that support our effort and discipline. The dynamic characteristics of diversity in careers and academic formation is based on communication and cooperation with industry and various branches. This allows the updating of skills required in the learning process and ensures the relevance of educational provision. The example of such cooperations are the opening of spaces for the business of professional practice, formation of business advisory committees, support of the scholarship program, recruitment of professionals through job placement. We are continually working to look for a quality education for young Salvadorians, so we have strategic partners in international cooperation agencies such as We have also signed cooperation agreements with international institutions such as We also have cooperation agreements with universities and national institutions such as The country has the infrastructure, and our commitment is the permanent formation of professionals who have leadership and are able to attach and promote sustainable development in El Salvador. A specialized engineering school, ICAFEPADE, specialist in forming technicians and engineers of a superior level.